Lacey, look over here for your mommy. Look over here. Look at your mommy. Lacey. Hi, Debbie. I think you can tell that she's a lot more confident this time. I've noticed over the last week, I keep meaning to tell you that she seems much more outgoing and confident and yeah, say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. See, my ears are doing good and I'm doing good. This one ear has a teeny little bit of a flop on it, but I think it might have something to do with cutting teeth and that kind of stuff. You know, they do that, as you probably know. But if it flops any more than that, never fear, I shall tape it again. Lacey! Hi, baby girl. Are you being curious? Lacey! Lacey! She's being very curious this time. Lacey! Hey, what's that? What's that? What's that? Yeah. Is that a wood block? Can you say hi? Say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Lacey. Too busy to look at the camera, of course. Lacey. Hi. Can you say hi? Lacey. Mama wants to see your face. That's such a cute face. Yes, it is. Such a cute face. Come over here in the light a little bit. Let's see. There you go. Say hi, Mama. Say hi, Mama. See, I'm doing good. Yeah, I'm going to turn 8 weeks old on Saturday. Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm going to turn 8 weeks old on Saturday. Yeah, she's so sweet. See, I'm not shaking this time. I have a lot more confidence. Yeah. I'm growing up. I'm getting older and I'm getting braver. What's this? Lacey. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, Lacey. Good girl. Yeah, what is that? What is that, baby girl?